How to fix your Instagram login problem in 2026. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So there are a couple of ways you can fix this problem. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and you can try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. If that is not working, then you want to double check your username and password for any typos when logging in. Your application might also have a pending update. Simply go to your App Store or Play Store and simply go ahead and update your Instagram to the latest version. If you're on an Android device, go inside of your settings, inside of apps, look for Instagram and go to storage and cache and simply go ahead and clear cache. Always check if Instagram servers are down. You can do this in downdetector.com and search for Instagram. If it is still not working, you want to simply go ahead and click on the Forgot Password tab on your login page and simply go ahead and reset your password. If you're using any kind of VPN or proxies, then you want to simply go ahead and remove it. And if nothing works, simply go ahead and try uninstalling and reinstalling the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.